I believe this is 5A, and we're looking for the 19th block. So first of all, you have to figure out what the core pattern is. And the core pattern in here is two red and then 3 yellow. So this would be, actually a suggestion to you though would be to take markers and color in each of the squares in the book. So for all the R's, color them red. For all the Y's, color them yellow. And then the pattern might sort of pop out at you better than if you're just looking at the letters in, you know, the black color in the book. I don't think the pattern will pop out quite as easily. So if you don't have something like this to play with, just use crayons or pencil crayons or felts or something to color in the pattern. Okay, so we can see that the core pattern has 2 red and 3 yellow in it, and that there's 5 blocks in each of the core pattern. And what we're looking for is what is the 19th block going to be, what color? So what we have to do is figure out how many times this core pattern fits into 19 blocks. And so we're going to divide that by 5 because the core pattern has 5 blocks in it. And 5 times 3 is 15. So we have 4 left over. We can't fit any more 5s into there. So we have 3 of the core patterns fit in there, and 4/5 of another one will fit in there. So what we're looking for is the 4th block of the core pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see how that's 4 out of 5? 4 out of the 5 blocks in the core pattern. So the 19th block is going to be yellow. Now, let's just build that so that you can see what that looks like. We've got the core pattern once, the core pattern twice, the core pattern 3 times, and now we're going to add the core pattern 4/5 of a time more. So can you see 1 whole core pattern, 2 whole core patterns, 3 whole core patterns, and then 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5. See, this would be a whole one. But we are only putting on 19 blocks, so we're only doing 4/5 of it. So, and can you see how that's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19? So that's what they're looking for, is for you to find the core pattern, do a division statement, and figure out based on the remainder, which really is a fraction, what that last block will, or what in this case the 19th block will be. So 4 out of the 5 blocks of the core pattern, 4/5 of it will be yellow. The last block will be yellow. Hopefully that makes sense. And I will show you the next one in the next video.